Welcome to Really Random Tutorials. Today I'll be showing you how to convert a PDF to a Word document. So here I have a PDF. I open it, and right now I can't edit it. I don't have a PDF editor, and I don't want to try and find a converter online. So I'll show you a really easy way to do it. Just X out of that. If you open up Microsoft Word, and once you get to this screen, you can just click and drag your PDF on top of the home page of the Word program. And if you just click on OK, it'll create a brand new Word document. Just full screen of that. And then if you click on Enable Editing, and then OK, it'll finish converting it, and all I gotta do is go into one page view and zoom in, and that's it. Now you have a editable Word document. So that is how to convert PDF to a Word document. If you enjoyed the video or learned something, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.